Hi everyone, greetings from Lucknow. I am Dr. Arjuman Zaidi, Director Holy Vision International, Director St. Xavier's Convent School, and President of Youth for Human Rights India. I have been doing social work since last almost 2 decades, and I am passionate about it. I am going to share some of my good experiences and my work with you. Hope you enjoy that. Thank you. So friends, I'll take you through my journey of social work. As you know, I am passionate about it. Way back in 2004, I founded my own NGO, Holy Vision International. Under this NGO, lots of social programs and activities we are doing for the poor and for the country. For example, the health camps for the poor people, adult literacy program for the women who could not study during their childhood, human rights training, education and awareness programs, anti-child labor campaigns, environment and forest conservation programs, awareness of sustainable development goals. While doing these projects, I realized that I must do something for the education of economically weaker section people of society in India. And then in 2006, St. Xavier's Convent School was founded. This school is based on two basic features which make it unique. One, that this has the most moderate fee structure which is affordable by all classes of society. Two, this is based on the pillars of moral and social values among the students. We are also helping government to do various missions, programs, drives for the social purposes. And in 2016, we participated in the UP Forest Festival and planted 100 saplings in the ceremonial program. We also participated in the mission of UP government to plant 50 million saplings in just one day, and our team created the record to plant 20,500 saplings in just 4 hours. With our team, Dr. Farah Osmani, Chief of United Nations Population Fund, also planted saplings with us. In the ongoing process of promotion of United Nations Universal Declaration of Human Rights and UN SDGs, our work expanded so much that finally we decided to start a new public charitable trust only for the work of United Nations promotional activities. And then in 2017, in the name of Youth for Human Rights India, we started this trust. At present, we are running this campaign, Peace and Tolerance Through Human Rights, from Kashmir to Kanyakumari. And this campaign has become very popular throughout India, and we have more than 8,000 volunteers who are working for us all over India. For the promotion of human rights and UN SDGs, I am traveling extensively throughout India. I am meeting students in various schools, colleges, universities, meeting people in organizations, companies, private sector and public sector, and I am talking to them and explaining them the value of human rights and to create peace and tolerance in our country and the world around us. In 2018, I have covered 1 million people, including students and various categories of people, to make them aware about human rights and also to convince them to create peace and tolerance around them. And in this year, 2019, I have a mission to exceed 1 more million and make them aware about the same. In 2018, I have addressed 18,000 policemen at a time and convinced them to follow human rights in their duty tenure and the life ahead. We are organizing various programs like rallies, human rights walks, peace walks, seminars, summits, and human rights workshops, and a lot of other things. And in that, many dignitaries, ministers, government officials, corporate sector people, a lot of famous personalities from Bollywood are participating in our programs. I have received various national and international awards for my service for humanity and social work. I really wish that India should emerge like a world peace leader and there should be no crime and corruption and violation of human rights throughout the world. My work has been appreciated by various news agencies, newspapers, news channels, TV channels, web channels, and various other agencies and people of different segments of life, and that has been published also. I appeal to you all, let's stand together for the world community, for the world unity, and for the world sustainability. And I take a pledge that I will do my level best to contribute to humanity from my existence. Let's all together make a difference. We will make a difference. Thank you. video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's stand together. Let's be united to make this world a better place to live. We are called to make a difference and we will make a difference. Thank you.